Oh, so yeah, I got this. I got sourdough bread in here, and butter, and olive oil, and red onion, and Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna pour like half and half into this. I could try to make like a au gratin, like that. These are the coolest. This tray that I have here. These are the coolest restaurant ware pans, trays. You can just do anything you want in this. I'm gonna bake in this. It's restaurant ware, and it can take it. So I'm gonna get my Where's my Parmesan cheese? Let's. Hello, Parmesan cheese. There it is. So we're gonna take this off and just top this bread with this, and then bake it at 400. And I think the half and half. I don't want to flip it over. I'm just gonna leave it like that and let it absorb the butter and let's put some salt. You know, even though we did put Parmesan, we should put a little salt. This is how I cook at night. Where's the. Okay, we are good to go. We're gonna throw this in. We're gonna preheat to 400. I'm gonna do this. This is herbs de Provence, herbs from Provence, France. A lot of good herbs in here. Like you got sage, you got basil, marjoram, thyme, fennel seed, lavender, tarragon. It's a great mix. I put it in a lot of my cooking. You know, and then I'll do one more coat of olive oil on top before we put it in the oven. Oh man, I'm almost out. Whoa, look at that, huh? I am out, but we're fine. We got enough. Okay, guys. All right, so we're gonna preheat this oven here. This really dirty oven, and I'm gonna cook this. So we'll see what it looks like when it's done. So. It came out very good.
What is it?
Oh man.
What, you made bread?
I took sliced bread and I put it with I took sliced bread, sliced sourdough, and I put it in this ovenware baking restaurantware dish with salt and olive oil and butter and herbs and red onions and green onions and Parmesan cheese, and then I put half and half in it and baked it at 390 degrees for 20 minutes, and it came out pretty good.
Vito, don't forget to Venmo me some money.
Yep. Okay, guys.